Communicative English. At the library.
Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon, David. What can I do for you?
I need to get some information on animal cells.
What is it for David?
I have to make a presentation of animal cells in the seminar next week.
That's fine.
Could you tell me where I can get it, madam?
Look at that last cupboard. It's marked reference.
Do you mean the one next to the literature cupboard?
Exactly. There are a number of encyclopedias in that cupboard. You will find there, Children's Science Encyclopedia. That's the right book for your reference.
Oh, I see. May I borrow it for a day or two?
Sorry, the reference books are not for lending.
There is no place around. May I sit here and take notes?
Yes, you may.
Thank you, madam.
Welcome.